modeled against the London Eye, 165 meters when you're at the top. One rotation takes 30 minutes. One capsule sits 28 people. There you go, on your far left. It's moving, everyone, and it's moving very slowly. And then see those two pods on your left? Now that's Gardens by the Bay, and after breakfast, that's where the group will be heading to. The Flower Dome, the Cloud Forest. So fully AC garden. Then you'll see the super trees at the back of the two pods. Now the super trees are connected by an overhead bridge to 20 meters. Spending about a good 2 hours at that attraction because each dome takes about 45 minutes, and then the aerial walkway maybe about 20 minutes to half an hour. So this is still the vicinity of Little India, and as you can see, all the restaurants over here, Indian restaurants on your left. And in Singapore, we have more Southern Indians for the simple reason that in the past, South India and South China was much closer to this part of the world. Like for us Chinese as well, we are of Southern Chinese descent. And this whole area served by the Little India train station on your left. Mass rapid transit system. Popular because it's fast, it's clean, efficient. Most importantly, it avoids traffic congestion during peak hours, and it is safe as well. So stations in the city, and then you can see that the roads are all orderly with road markings. You hardly get to have or hear the sound of a horn in Singapore. Okay, that's really rare. It's only used to avoid an accident. Just in front of us here, we're passing by the Church of Our Lady of Lourdes. This is a Catholic church, and it caters primarily to the Indian Catholics. They have services in Tamil. So that's there, 1888, a national monument in Singapore. Then this area on your left-hand side is the Malay Muslim quarter. You will see Malay womenfolk over here, long blouses, long skirts with their headscarves to hide their femininity. That's the Sultan's Mosque. See that? With the gold-colored dome. That's gold paint, by the way. And that's 1924. The Malays were the original inhabitants of Singapore. So national language of this country is Malay. And they have remained predominantly Muslims. First Muslim. Okay, so as we're traveling along this stretch, everyone, once again, on your left-hand side, we have the Formula One pit building paddock area. This will be Singapore's 9th year hosting Formula One. And then once again, the Singapore Flyer. It's moving, by the way. Can you see people in the capsules? There you go. So we'll do this on the 3rd day. And 30 minutes. One capsule sits 28 people. And that's Gardens by the Bay, everyone. See the flat one? That's the Flower Dome, and the slightly taller one is the Cloud Forest, followed by the super trees. On the hand side, we have the Art Science Museum. Lotus flower in shape and in white. The lotus flower is a symbol of welcome. And this on your right is the Marina Bay Sands. It's a casino, by the way, at the bottom, and the 3 towers are hotel rooms. At the top is the Sky Park, which has the park, the pool, and the restaurant. When we do the city tour tomorrow, everyone, we'll have a clearer view and a closer view of this whole area. Then opposite side of us, you will see the quay cranes of our container port, and that's Singapore's main gateway for container cargo. It is the Tanjong Pagar Container Terminal. Singapore is a port that never sleeps. The Port of Singapore Authority operates 24 hours a day.
Would not be true. There are crime, but the crime rate is very low over here. This is a lovely mall on your left, Plaza Singapura, and served by the Dhoby Ghaut train station.
And this is where we get off, everyone.